What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to watch YouTube shorts in slow motion, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So we all sometimes like to watch some videos in slow motion, and that pain is relieved when the people actually make videos in slow motion and they post them. So it's kind of a ASMR meaning to it. We kind of sometimes love to watch the slow-mo videos, but if you're interested in some type of video which is not already in slow motion and you want to watch it in slow motion, how to do it? Well, when you're using the app or when you are on the browser version of YouTube, there are no versions and options to watch that video in slow motion for the shorts. So you cannot watch the YouTube shorts in slow motion on your phone or on your computer, but there is an option in which you can watch YouTube shorts in slow motion. On a video page, basically when you enter the video, select settings. From there on, select the speed, and from there on, select the speed at which you'd like that video to be played. So you can actually watch a YouTube short on a smart TV, and that's the only way to do so. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. That's it for today guys, see you in our next video, goodbye.